Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use K-9 unit operator skill. So it's very useful if you are a passive player or like to hunting your enemy. So what you need to do first is click your loadout. This is my operator skill. Click the first one in here. So there are some operator skill in here like a bullet charge, gravity vortex, but what you need to do is click your K9 unit. If you do not have it yet, you can acquire it from the store. So let's select the K9 unit. This is a dog track an enemy by scent and attack them automatically. So you need to do order it, but it's automatically hunt the enemy. So let's jump to the game. Yeah, welcome to the game. As you can see here, this is operator skill of your K9 unit, but you can use it yet. It's still 4%. You have to wait until 100% and you can use it. Okay, let's play first. So see, our dog is ready. Just click it. So K9 unit kill. So that's our dogs hunt the enemy. This is the operator skill K9. So thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.